And we still got one more to unbox, guys, so let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Oh, headset. So awesome. It's so soft and lightweight. Hello guys, so I've used the headphones for a bit, and here's my conclusion or verdict to these headphones. It's really good, and just like what's written on the box, it's on the go and it's lightweight. So I reckon if you're traveling, because you can hold this one, see, if you're traveling and you're on the train, this is really handy. And the sound quality, guys, is amazing. Especially when I was watching on YouTube, and then the advert was a trailer, an action movie, and the sound is like you're in a cinema with this one. So if you're looking for affordable headphones, this Sennheiser HD100 is really good. So yeah, what else can I say about this one? I haven't tested this yet for like recording, so if it can work as a studio monitor headphones, but the cup size is already gonna be slightly problem, because you will hear a little bit of the background noise, but the sound quality that it's producing is really excellent. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and for those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe. Those who are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for your support, guys. I really appreciate it, and see you again soon. Bye for now. Ciao.